In this video I'm going to show you how to draw in Excel. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the top row, click on draw, and here we have to select the pen with which we want to draw. Let's say we use a pen like this with a thickness like this, and then we can just turn it on, draw with trackpad, and here we can start drawing. And then click on any key to turn it off. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.